Hey y'all, welcome to the Gramstead. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on the hide because I am going to work on it a little bit more. It has stayed relatively soft, which I'm very pleased with. Since my last video on the hide, I have oiled it because it did start to dry out a little bit and stiffen up. So I oiled it with neat's foot oil. And now that that has all settled in, I think I'm finally going to sand the flesh side of this. So I've got my sander set up here on the back porch, and I think I'm gonna start with maybe 60 grit. And it's just a little handheld sander. So I think that'll help to soften it up a little bit more. And after I do that, we'll see. I may put a little bit more oil on it or not. This project has definitely been you kind of just have to see how it goes as you're working on it. This one I've definitely processed different than that first one, and I really like how this is coming out. And I really think that I'm going to be able to get it to a point where I can maybe put it in my bedroom. So I'm gonna sand it and see what it does, but I'll give y'all an up close look on what it looks like before I start sanding it and update y'all throughout the process. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna flip it over. All right, y'all, well, I like what it's doing. It's definitely making it soft. This is just nice and soft now, but I do think I want some stronger sandpaper. I'm using 60 just because that's what I had. So, all right, here's the before spot, and then here's an after spot. All right, I got a bunch more to go. All right, y'all, I got the whole thing sanded, and overall it is a lot softer. It feels a lot more suede-like. I'm in love with this cowhide, y'all. This turned out great, y'all. After I sanded it, I flipped it over and I went over the hair side with the blower, and it just cleaned up so nice. It fluffed it up. All right, y'all. Well, after I got it sanded and cleaned off with the blower, I decided just to go ahead and take it inside the house. So it is officially in the house, and I think it's gonna stay. So super happy with how the hide turned out. It was a great way to honor Spitfire the steer. So we'll hopefully enjoy that hide for many years to come. So thanks for joining me along the process. If y'all like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.